In this video, I'll show you how to check if your iPhone camera is original. So if you've ever had the camera lenses replaced on your iPhone, then you may be wondering if they've been replaced with genuine parts. So you can check this by heading over to the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and select General, and then select About. Now just underneath serial number and just above where it says coverage expired, if you've ever had the camera lenses replaced on your iPhone, you'll have this new section appear here that basically says parts and service. And it will basically be in this section here where it will tell you if either the parts used were genuine or it will say something like unknown or ungenuine, in which case obviously it won't be a genuine part. So you won't be able to see this on my screen here as I've never had my lens replaced, so this option just won't appear at all. And another way you can check if your camera has been replaced by genuine parts is just by heading over to the camera app itself, and you want to test the functionality of all the different options on your camera. So you can try zooming both in and out. And you want to also go through all of the different modes like portrait and cinematic just to ensure that everything is working as intended. And that's basically how you check if your iPhone camera is original or not. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.